Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you the top 10 Paris tourist attractions that you absolutely cannot miss when visiting the City of Light. Paris is known for its rich history, stunning architecture and world-class cuisine, so let's dive right in and explore some of the most iconic spots in this beautiful city. First up, we have the Eiffel Tower. This iconic landmark is a must-see when visiting Paris. Standing at over 1,000 feet tall, the Eiffel Tower offers breathtaking views of the city and is the perfect spot for a romantic evening with your loved one. Be sure to visit at night when the tower is lit up and sparkles, creating a truly magical experience. Next on our list is the Louvre Museum. Home to thousands of works of art, including the famous Mona Lisa, the Louvre is a must-visit for art lovers. Spend hours wandering through the museum's halls and marveling at some of the most famous pieces in the world. If you're looking for a more relaxed experience, head to the Luxembourg Gardens. This beautiful park is the perfect spot to relax and enjoy a picnic on a sunny day. With its manicured lawns, fountains and flower beds, the Luxembourg Gardens are a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. For a taste of Parisian culture, be sure to visit Montmartre. This charming neighborhood is known for its bohemian vibe, cobblestone streets, and stunning views of the city. Be sure to visit the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a beautiful church perched on top of a hill that offers panoramic views of Paris. If you're a foodie, you won't want to miss the opportunity to visit the Latin Quarter. This lively neighborhood is home to some of the best restaurants, cafes, and markets in the city. Be sure to try some traditional French dishes like escargot or coq au vin, and don't forget to indulge in some delicious pastries from one of the local bakeries. Another must-visit spot in Paris is the Palace of Versailles. Just a short train ride from the city center, Versailles is a stunning example of French Baroque architecture and is home to beautiful gardens, fountains, and the famous Hall of Mirrors. Be sure to take a guided tour of the palace to learn more about its fascinating history. For a taste of Parisian nightlife, head to the Marais district. This trendy neighborhood is home to some of the best bars, clubs, and live music venues in the city. Be sure to check out the bustling Rue des Rosiers, known for its delicious falafel and vibrant street art. If you're a fashion lover, you won't want to miss the opportunity to shop on the Champs-Élysées. This famous avenue is home to some of the most luxurious boutiques in the world, as well as popular chain stores and department stores. Be sure to stop by La Durée for some delicious macarons, a Parisian delicacy. Last but not least, be sure to visit the Seine River. This iconic river runs through the heart of Paris and is the perfect spot for a leisurely boat cruise or a romantic evening stroll. Be sure to take in the stunning views of the city's famous landmarks, like Notre Dame Cathedral and the Louvre, as you float along the Seine. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the top 10 Paris tourist attractions. Be sure to like and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir.